there, it's Candis. I am out here in the Woodlands Hills in beautiful North Houston, Texas. And today we are going to walk one of the model homes here. I teased about it in the last video I did, which was the vlog tour behind the scenes of the entire community here in the Woodlands Hills. And it was the Emma floor plan by Chesmar. So today I am going to take you behind the scenes. I'm going to go into detail and all of the things inside the home. As you can see, it has a balcony upstairs. It has about 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, 2,500 plus square feet.
Now, before we go inside, I wanted to give you a peek at the floor plan so you have a really good idea of the overall layout of the home. And as you can see, it features a formal dining room right off the foyer, a loft style game room upstairs, a 2nd-story balcony facing the front yard, and a beautiful brick covered patio in the back, which I'll show you. It also has a 2-car attached garage.
All right, enough talking. Let's go inside.
Now, as we start to walk through the home, one of the very first things you're going to notice, because you can't miss it, is the grand vaulted ceiling in the living room and the beautiful finishes. Okay, let's head over into the chef's kitchen where you can also see a casual dining area off to the side. Now, if things look a little bit in disarray, that's because this model home is going up for sale and they're auctioning off all of these items. All right, heading into the backyard, this is that beautiful covered brick patio I mentioned. It's a really nice sized lot. Lot sizes vary, but like I said, this one is becoming available at the time of this recording. Let me know if you're interested. All right, we're gonna head back in. I'm gonna take you through and peek at the laundry room and this powder right off of the entry hallway after you enter the front of the home. Kind of backtracking a little bit just to show you the flow. Really spacious laundry room, plenty of room for washer dryer side by side. This is the master bedroom on the bottom floor. It's the only bedroom downstairs. It's privately tucked away in the back of the home. And really beautiful spa tub, glass encased shower, and hi there. Really spacious walk-in closet. Love that. All right, heading upstairs, I'm gonna show you now the loft slash game room. They have it staged right here, but look at that overlook. Isn't that beautiful? And then there's 3 secondary bedrooms here upstairs. This first one I'm taking you to has the upstairs balcony, which is very spacious. It's not one of those fake balconies. I don't know if you've seen those, but these, the balconies here in this Emma floor plan are functional, very spacious. Walking back down through the hallway here to show you the secondary bathrooms and bedrooms. So here's a peek is what I was talking about where there's no bedspread and that's because they're already auctioning off these items. Some of the paintings will be off the walls, some of the artwork will be down, but you can still see, I hope you can see how beautiful the home is. I was really impressed walking through it with just how nice the finishes were and the details and the touches throughout the home.
All right, well, that was it. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below how you liked this model. Chesmar homes here in the community start in the 300s and go up from there. If you have any questions at all about this model home, I will leave all of the specs and the details in the description below. If you want to come tour the home or any of the other models here in the Woodlands Hills, feel free to reach out. I'm here for you. And stay tuned. Click somewhere here on this screen because I am touring all of the model homes here in the Woodlands Hills. There's 8 different builders, lots of different model homes. And as always, if you have any questions or just want to talk to me and chat about options living here in the North Houston area or in the Woodlands Hills, give me a call or shoot me a text. I'm happy to talk with you. That's it for now. Okay, bye.